Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Excel and using the profile that shows the recent list. This ensures you're editing the correct history. Once done, make sure Auto Recover and Privacy settings are noted so you won't lose unsaved work. Close extra Excel windows to avoid clearing the wrong session. Now go to File. This is where the recent list lives. Proceed immediately to view the displayed documents, because the next actions remove entries from that exact list. You'll navigate to File, then Open, and then Recent to manage items. Right-click any single entry and choose Remove from List to delete it immediately. If you have many entries, use Clear Unpinned Items to wipe all non-pinned files in one action. This is faster and prevents accidental loss of pinned documents. Make sure to pin any file you want to keep before bulk clearing, because pinned items survive. After clearing, review the list to confirm the intended entries are gone. If recent items persist, you can perform an advanced cleanup. Back up your system, then edit the registry or group policy to limit or clear most recently used entries. Only do this if you're comfortable and know why. Alternatively, delete MRU files in %appdata%\Microsoft\Office to remove stubborn records. Once complete, restart Excel and verify the recent list is empty. If issues remain, restart your device and recheck privacy settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.